What's up, fellow polymaths? In this video of the Java Fundamentals tutorial, we'll be downloading the OpenJDK on a Linux distribution. This distribution that we'll be downloading Java on will be Ubuntu, but it should work for other Linux distros as well, with potentially some minor differences. So the first step we want to do is open the command line. Alright, so now that we have our command line open, we want to check to make sure if we have a Java version installed. So the step to do that is to type in Java and then version. So if you see this message, then you have Java installed. In this case, our Java version is the OpenJDK17. Now, if you're getting some type of error saying that Java is not installed, then you don't have Java installed, we can download OpenJDK in case you don't have it. So let me clear this. And if you want to clear, you can press Ctrl L. Let's input the sudo apt update. And then we input the password. All right, so now let's install the OpenJDK. And this JDK that we'll be installing is OpenJDK17. So let's clear this. And first we'll be installing OpenJDK17 Jre. And we'll be installing in headless mode. Now that we installed the Java Jre, let's clear this. And then let's confirm that what our Java version is. All right, so we see here we have the OpenJDK17. Now that we've installed the Jre, let's install the Java JDK, which is the development kit. So all I have to do is just type in sudo apt install OpenJDK17 JDK headless. Hit enter. We'll just wait for it to install the necessary packages. Now that we've installed the JDK, we can input javac, which is the compiler, and then the version. And we see here we have the version 17. So we've been able to install Java. If you want to know where the Java is located on your local machine, then you can input which Java. And here you'll see that it's located in the user/bin/java directory. So that's pretty much a very brief overview of being able to download Java OpenJDK on Linux, in this case the Ubuntu distribution, but it should work for the other Linux distros as well. If you don't want to be able to utilize Java, such as using an IDE, you can look at my other videos involving how to download the Eclipse IDE. If this video was of any value to you, then please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.